Decorate the 3 pieces of flower cutouts using any colored markers. Any design or pattern will do. Be creative as possible. Next, fold each petal of the flower cutouts to the middle to hide the drawings or the design just like this. Are you ready for the last step? This time, let us use our observing eyes. For the last step, gently put the folded paper cutouts into the basin of water and observe what will happen next. Can you tell me what is happening to the paper cutout? After observing with our observing eyes, we found out that all folded paper cutouts slowly began to open or unfold. I wonder why. What could be the reason behind this? Any idea? Let me tell you more. All kinds of paper are made of fibers. When I say fibers, these are like your long thin strands of hair. If these fibers absorb a lot of water, it expands or becomes bigger. And that's the reason why our flower cutouts opened. See you again next time. Thank you for watching.